I decided I need to get me a push stick that's a little safer to use than the one I've been using, because that, well, it's a little dangerous. So I think I'm gonna lay me one out and just use this old piece of 3/4 ply I had laying around over there. It's from, yeah. If you want to reuse stuff, you take the base of an old 10 ER from 1952 and you keep using it to make new stuff out of it. I'm going to get as much out of it as I can. So let's get something done. And I come up with an idea. I want to make a push stick to push wood through the saw, you know, like that. I get my most dangerous when I start thinking to myself out loud or whatever, you know what I mean? So let's think a second here. We're going to be right there. We're going to cut that. That's all going away. We don't want to do that. Let's try this again. Let's try. Getting worse. Okay, let's get this under control. We're going to be just like that. We're going to make us a little tab right there. We're going to come off right here. We don't need anything on here except to come up and make a guitar. So I just need to draw a guitar right here. And I want to get up here. I want to make it big because I need room for my hand. So we're going to start right up here and we're going to curve this guitar down into the bow. And we're going to take it up here. And turn it into a Stratocaster. But we're going to make it spout wider. Like that, and then to there. That's definitely looking more. Okay, let's start again fresh. This is what I want to use. Okay? Now, first thing I want to do is get me a line here. And I'm going to get me a line. I want to take that further. I got room to work here. I can make it longer. Okay, I got it roughed out. Let's cut this sucker. Yep. We're on the old radio alarm saw. I'm gonna lower the blade down. Right there under the table. Then push it back. And I'll lock it when I'm working with it because I don't like it running at me. I think I'm just going to cut that right there to give me some room to work. I'm just going to go straight across here, and if I have to, I'll make another cut. That works. Let's go do something else. kind of rough, but we getting there. Let's move to the next step, okay? Next thing we got to do is smooth that off a little bit. Y'all still with me, right? I done got y'all so close now you can't see. Okay, look at that. I got my sander. I'm gonna drop it on the table right here. Okay. Hose. Drop it over the trash can. So that dirt can go there. This in the hole where it goes. Give it a test run. I think that'll work. Just try it. Thing I'm going to do is make this where it's nice and smooth for my hands so it ain't all rough. Okay, I got my push stick made. Looks like it'll work just fine. And another project in the books. So next thing we're going to start on is a sander that'll sand the neck of a guitar about that long. So that's the next project, deadhead sander. So we'll get started on that. We're going to mount it right on those shop smiths like everything else. Hey, y'all be good, stay out of trouble, and I'll get busy and do what I can.